Hey guys, welcome to the first video of Flame Tech, and I feel like it's going to be a pretty good video because today in this website, this is for some beginners who do not know how to use GitHub and how to make a website out of it. If you learn it, it's really easy, so yeah. Okay, now all you have to do is go to github.com and then you create a new repository. Just make an account if you don't have an account. Repository, click create new repository. Repository name, let's call it Flame Tech. Description, this is a test. And then you can maybe private or public, I don't really care, I'll make it public. And then you should probably add a readme file, so you can just have one file to start with. And if you want, you can add a license. If you want to add a license, what I do is add the public license right here, the first one. Type in GNU and the first one that comes up. Ignore all of the, just add a readme file, and then this, create repository. And now you have your repository. Now, see, the license is here and the readme file is here. You can always change the readme file here or here. All you have to do is edit it. And let's wait for it, and let's type in this is a test. This is a YT YouTube video. Dot. And then you don't have to do anything, just press commit changes. And then boom. It shows it right there. And then you can press flame tech and go back to the thing. Now what you need to do is, if you want to actually code in GitHub, like not here, which you can't test it with really anything, so what you have to do is press code, and actually don't worry about that. Let me show you a more efficient way to do it. So gitpod.io, go to gitpod.io, press login, continue with, oh my bad, where's GitHub? Okay, continue with GitHub, and it continues, and new workspace, and paste the URL, paste this right here, paste the URL right here, click on that, your repository, editor, VS Code, classic standard, new workspace. And it's gonna check the contents, wait for it to load, and boom, you got your mini VS Code in the browser. And then now create a file, and let's create the index.html file. And then now this is kind of lagging, you have to wait. Before you do anything, please, this is really important, go to extensions, type in, oh, I already have it, type in live server, and don't do 5 server, just do live server. And I'll just uninstall it and then install it real quick. So all you have to do is click install it, reinstalled for me, plus explore, and then now go to your file. Now if you want the basic HTML, do exclamatory mark and then tab, and then you get the basic HTML. Obviously you can call it whatever you call. I'm gonna call it Flame Tech. Now what you need to do is type in link and then tab, oh my bad, link and then tab, and get the style sheet, and then style.css. And now you can put whatever in the body. I'm just gonna real quick make a div. I use the shortcuts, you don't have to, so it's your choice. Div.yt, and then you can put a p tag here, call it this is a test and a video. There. And yep, your p tag. And then now you can also add a style.css folder, and then .ytep color blue. Okay, now let's just pretend that was all your code, and now all you have to do, click on your index.html file, right click on it, and then press open with live server. And there it is. There is your testing platform. This is not your actual link. I'll show you how to get your actual link, but this is your website right here, live testing. And whatever you do, so let's say this is a video for Flame Tech, right? This is a test and a video for Flame Tech. It automatically upgrades. You don't have to refresh. It automatically refreshes. I don't think y'all saw that, so let's do it again. Like, I don't know, YouTube. Look, it automatically refreshes. Look, I didn't even do anything. All I did was hover over here, and you don't even have to do that, but it automatically refreshes. Now take this out, and I'm not doing anything. Boom, same thing, live server. Okay, so let's pretend you're done with all your code. Now go to source control and type in whatever you want. Okay, type in like YT. I don't care. Type in anything and press commit. Right, and then it'll say sync changes. Press YT again and press sync changes. Right. Okay. Now say ask me later, and then boom. Okay. Now refresh your GitHub page, and boom, there it is. Your index.html and your style.css file. All you have to do is press commit changes, and if you do it here, it right open here, and you can even test it here. Right now, I'll show you how to get the actual link of your website. Take that all out. That was just live server, and now you need the actual link. This is the one I use. Go to vercel.com. I already have mine, but if you don't, you should probably log in. It will say login somewhere, and press add new project. It will show you import git repository. Whatever git repository you want to do, press import, and then call it whatever you want. I'll claim it Flame Tech, other, and leave it that. This is the most important thing. Make sure you follow this. So click on build and output settings. Click, don't do any work. Click the middle one. Output directory. Click override, and just put dot. So what it does, it overrides its output directory so I can take yours. Press deploy. Wait a second, it shows it right here and started 1 second ago. It's loading. It's actually pretty fast. And congratulations, you deployed your project. And now refresh this page again. And then it will show right here, flametech.vercel.app. This is your actual website. This is gonna be your URL, your name, whatever you put in the vercel.app. And then your website. You don't have to put Vercel.app. You can change the domain, but I think we'll save that for another video. If you want, comment down below if you want that video, how to change the domain of Vercel.app. And that's it gonna be for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed and learned something new from this video.